a journey through Stoic wisdom on navigating life's challenges with resilience and grace, offering practical insights to transform rejection into a catalyst for growth and self-discovery. Embrace rejection as a natural part of life. Just as the Stoics embraced the inevitability of change, we must accept rejection as a normal and expected aspect of our journey. Instead of viewing rejection as a personal failure or a reflection of our worth, we can recognize it as a natural outcome of our efforts and a valuable opportunity for learning and growth. Cultivate inner strength and resilience. Like the Stoics, we can develop the fortitude to withstand rejection without losing our sense of self-worth or purpose. By cultivating inner resilience, we empower ourselves to navigate life's challenges with grace and determination, knowing that our worth is not defined by external validation. Practice self-reflection and introspection. By examining our reactions to rejection with honesty and humility, we can uncover valuable insights and opportunities for growth. Instead of reacting impulsively or defensively to rejection, we can use it as an opportunity for self-discovery, gaining deeper insight into our strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement. Maintain emotional equanimity. Stoicism teaches us to regulate our emotions and maintain a sense of inner calm, even in the midst of rejection and adversity. Instead of allowing rejection to trigger feelings of anger, frustration, or despair, we can cultivate emotional resilience, responding to rejection with clarity, composure, and self-control. Focus on what you can control. Just as the Stoics emphasized focusing on our thoughts and actions, we can direct our energy towards constructive responses to rejection rather than dwelling on factors beyond our control. Instead of fixating on the outcome of our efforts or seeking validation from others, we can focus on cultivating our skills, improving our strategies, and taking proactive steps towards our goals. Seek solace in nature. Like the Stoics who found solace and inspiration in the beauty of the natural world, we can find peace and perspective amidst rejection by connecting with the rhythms of nature. Whether it's taking a walk in the woods, watching a sunrise, or simply spending time outdoors, immersing ourselves in nature can provide a sense of tranquility, renewal, and connection to something greater than ourselves. Cultivate empathy and compassion. Stoicism teaches us to view others with kindness and understanding, even when faced with rejection. By extending compassion to ourselves and others, we can soften the sting of rejection and foster deeper connections. Instead of viewing rejection as a personal attack or a reflection of our worth, we can recognize it as a shared human experience, offering empathy and support to others who may be struggling with similar challenges. Transform rejection into opportunity. Just as the Stoics viewed adversity as a chance to grow and learn, we can use rejection as a springboard for personal development and self-improvement. Instead of allowing rejection to hold us back or undermine our confidence, we can reframe it as an opportunity for exploration, innovation, and creative problem-solving. By approaching rejection with curiosity and openness, we can uncover hidden opportunities and discover new paths towards success and fulfillment. Seek support from community. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of connection and community. By surrounding ourselves with supportive friends and mentors, we can find strength and resilience in times of rejection. Instead of facing rejection alone, we can lean on our community for guidance, encouragement, and perspective, knowing that we are not alone in our struggles and that we have a network of support to help us navigate life's challenges. Cultivate gratitude and appreciation. Stoicism teaches us to find joy and fulfillment in the present moment, regardless of external circumstances. By cultivating gratitude for the blessings in our lives, we can find resilience and strength in the face of rejection. Instead of dwelling on what we lack or focusing on our failures, we can appreciate the simple pleasures and everyday miracles that surround us. finding beauty, meaning, and purpose in the midst of adversity. Embrace the unknown with courage and curiosity. Like the Stoics who embraced uncertainty with courage and curiosity, we can approach rejection as an opportunity for exploration and discovery, knowing that it holds the potential for growth and transformation. Instead of fearing the unknown or resisting change, we can embrace it with open arms, trusting in our resilience, resourcefulness, and capacity for adaptation. By embracing uncertainty as an inherent part of life's journey, we can cultivate a sense of adventure, wonder, and possibility, turning rejection into a doorway to new opportunities, experiences, and insights. In conclusion, Stoicism offers powerful insights and tools for transforming rejection into a source of strength and resilience. By embracing these lessons and applying them in our lives, we can navigate rejection with courage, wisdom, and grace. Thank you for joining us on this journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Until next time, stay stoic.